6 Meal Planning Tips for Beginners. 1. Invest in good containers. Having the right size containers to store leftovers to take for lunch makes it easier to prep and store food. Opt for containers with room for dressings if you make a lot of salads. 2. Prep in advance. Spending a couple hours in the kitchen over the weekend prepping ingredients for your weekly recipes will save you precious time during the week and allow you to get dinner on the table faster on hectic evenings. 3. Make the most of your freezer. Stock your freezer with staples you can use for quick meals at any time. Ingredients like frozen peas, seafood, soups and berries make it easy to whip up meals in no time. 4. Get the whole family involved. You should meal plan as a family so everyone has a role to play. This will make it easier to stick to the meal plan as well as get extra helping hands when it comes time to chopping, prepping and putting together meals. 5. Use all the tools at your disposal. Chopping fresh fruit and veggies, browning meat and prepping aromatics takes time. With the right tools, kitchen tasks can be quicker to achieve. 6. Label and organize. It might seem obvious, but a clean and organized kitchen will do wonders to help you stay on track for the week. Spend a few minutes cleaning your space before you start meal planning or cooking and keep things tidy so it's easier to find whatever you need for any given recipe. So these are the 6 meal planning tips for beginners.